If you're seeing chess.com error 429, don't worry. This usually means rate limit exceeded, and in this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it. This happens when chess.com detects too many requests in a short time, like repeated refreshing, automation, or too many actions happening back to back. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it without needing any complicated steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you should do is stop using chess.com for a while and give it some time to cool down. In many cases, the best fix is simply waiting 15 to 60 minutes. During that time, avoid refreshing the page over and over, avoid logging in and out repeatedly, and don't keep trying the same action again and again. If the server has temporarily limited your requests, a short break is often enough for the block to clear on its own. After you've waited, try opening chess.com again and see if the error is gone. If it still shows up, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This helps remove old data that may be causing conflicts or repeated requests. In Chrome or most browsers, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Then choose Cookies and Cached Files, and finally click Delete Data. Once that's done, fully close the browser and reopen it before trying chess.com again. Another useful fix is to flush your DNS. This can help refresh your connection and remove stale network information. On Windows, press Win+R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter again. Once you see the confirmation, close the window and try reconnecting to chess.com. If you're still getting error 429, try switching your network connection. For example, turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data if you're on a phone, or connect through a different internet source if possible. Sometimes the issue is tied to your current network or IP address, and changing the connection can immediately solve the problem. If you're on a browser, it can also help to avoid extensions that trigger extra page requests, because some add-ons can make the site think you're making too many calls at once. So if the issue continues, try opening chess.com in an incognito window or disabling extensions temporarily. To recap, the fastest way to fix chess.com error 429 is to wait 15 to 60 minutes, clear your cache and cookies, flush DNS, and switch networks if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will get you back in quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful fixes and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.